Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is day 18 and this is our second take. We had a little mishap with our Advent calendar that I'm doing with J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, and Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. What happened was we had filmed it, it accidentally got deleted. So I'm going to show you the item. Here it is. It's from Tammy, but it's already open. And Tammy, you missed my full surprise. I absolutely love this purse. It is leopard print. I absolutely love that. I have something my little Blythes can wear with that. I love this little strap. And look, guys, they can carry a bunch of stuff, and it's got a magnet to close. How cute is that? Thank you so much, Tammy. I absolutely love it. Sorry about the mishap. You didn't get to see me open it. Thank you for watching. Please go visit the other channels and leave a like, a comment, subscribe on each of our 4 channels.